What makes our cleaning and drying methods unique? The people. People who grow up when faced with the tasks that our customers set us and endeavor to deliver the best possible solutions for the market. By utilizing the laws of physics, we attempt things that seemed inconceivable just a few years ago. This is the challenge we perform with water as our medium. LPW Cleaning Technologies produces its systems primarily at its site in the south of Germany. As an active partner within the Surface Alliance, we contribute our cleaning technology to the cooperation network. This gives us the opportunity to produce at various locations around the world, in China, in India, and also in Mexico. We are in a position to offer our customers the right services and support together with our sales partners around the world. An essential part of our work is the activities in research and development projects, together with the relevant research institutions and also renowned industry associations. Within this technical task, water is all-powerful. Water is endlessly versatile, and water has limitless power. My challenge and passion each day is using this power to clean surfaces. Most market players adjust and optimize known market technologies. We try to break new ground and introduce new ideas, so we can present new concepts that are ready for production and can be offered on the market. Nothing is impossible in the world of industrial cleaning technology. We are talking about cleaning, not washing. Who has ever dealt with the topic of cleaning knows what kind of questions and topics can crop up. The customers must of course be able to guarantee for their final product with the strictest cleanliness requirements. This is what our systems stand for. Customer requirements vary a great deal. We adapt our processes to the customer and create a system that is tailored for them. But it's fascinating to see the kind of expertise behind it all and the potential you have with water as a cleaning agent. What makes LPW special is not just thinking about today or tomorrow, but focusing on the future. Nothing is the same. There's continuously something new, always a new challenge for the customer and us, because you can never build the same system twice. The customer's processes and requirements always vary and therefore change. This is why precision in particular is very important to me, for our components as well as for those from our suppliers. We operate worldwide and collaborate with service partners all over the continents. Our task starts whenever the customer requires support. This can be commissioning of a system, maintenance, or upgrading an existing unit. It's particularly important to the customer that the system runs reliably and that his production can be maintained. The name LPW stands for technical cleanliness directly on the component surface itself, whether particulate, filmic, biological, or in case of residual atomic layers. But LPW also stands for people with specific skills, experience, and a high degree of creativity and flexibility. We offer special cleaning technologies and more.